Hi, I'm Scott Golden with Simmons Floorcovering and Total Renovations, and I wanted to take a moment and thank you for giving us an opportunity to discuss your future project. I'd also like to take an opportunity and give you a few reasons why we think Simmons Floorcovering and Total Renovations is different from any of the other options you might be considering. First is our reputation. We're a 9-time winner of Angie's List Super Service Award. We're also a member of the Good Contractors list, and we're approaching 200 5-star reviews on Google. What does all of that mean? It means that you can expect to receive a wow experience from Simmons Floorcovering and Total Renovations. We're dedicated to providing our customers with a superior level of customer service, and we feel like we have a track record to prove it. This can give you confidence in making the right decision. The second thing is every one of our projects is assigned a project manager that's responsible for your project from start to finish. They'll be responsible for estimating your project, helping you with the sales process and the design process. They'll be scheduling the installation, following up, making sure that everything's done properly, and then they'll be the ones that are asking you for the 5-star review once we're completed. We're really proud of our project managers. We think they do a great job, and it gives you a single person to talk to so that anytime you have a question or a concern, you're not being passed around like you might be at a big box store. You have a single person to talk to. Another thing that we feel like makes us different is we believe in a no pressure environment. We don't believe that we should pressure you to make a decision. We want you to be happy with the decision that you make, and as a result, we're going to lay out the pros and cons of everything that you're wanting to consider and give you the opportunity to make a decision in a stress-free, no pressure environment. We also feel like we're different because we offer both a showroom experience along with a shop-at-home experience. So if you want to come into our showroom and see all the options that are available, please feel free to do so. Or if you would rather simply have us pick out a couple of things and bring them to your house and show you those, we're happy to do either one. We want to be a hybrid that just does whatever you need to feel comfortable with the decision that you're making. Another thing that we offer our clients is our room visualizer. It's on our website. It's available to you right now. You can take a picture of the rooms that you're wanting to improve, and then you can download the photos of the products that you may want to install, and you'll be able to get a vision of exactly what your project will look like when it's finished. We feel like the room visualizer is a big help to our clients to help make their decisions and feel comfortable with the decisions that they make. Another thing that we do differently is we really use technology to provide you with a better level of customer service. Our project managers are equipped with laser measures, measuring software. We have estimating software that's all at their fingertips. It allows them to very, very quickly put an estimate together, and it allows them to make several different changes. So if you need time to say, well, what if we did this product, or what if we did that product, they have that information available at their fingertips, and they can provide you very, very quickly with an estimate and all of the different options that you're looking for. Again, we hope that you choose Simmons Floorcovering and Total Renovations for your next project, but regardless, we hope you see that we're different than any of the other options you may be considering. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to explain these items.